Well, I'm going to clean a throttle body. Actually, it's a throttle body off of the 2008 Jeep Patriot 2.4 liter throttle body. I'm going to give her a nice cleaning and hopefully she will look a lot better. I'm using just normal carb cleaner on it, but it's sensor safe, so it should work just fine. I like the carb cleaners better on these because throttle body cleaners don't seem to get off stuff as easy as a carb cleaner does. It seems to be a little bit more harsh. And this, I won't spray it on any of the electronics or anything. I'm just doing inside here, so it should work. Well, there I go. Oh yeah, that looks like she's gonna work out pretty good. Oh, it's gonna work out too good. It's gonna go too quick. Let's see here. Oops. So far, this stuff is working fantastic. Like, wow. I knew it was going to work good because it always does. I didn't know it was going to work too good, that she would be so clean really fast that I wouldn't even need to make a video about this. Darn. But, well, let's get her in here where she's all dirty. Oh, this stuff works great. They're going to be the best. See, the throttle body cleaner doesn't clean as well as this kind of stuff. See, this is carburetor cleaner, so it does clean a bit better. Yeah, I don't want to open the throttle blades up, but if I have to. I'm kind of doing to clean the outside of it a bit here with my old toothbrush here. Not the wife's toothbrush. Just a random toothbrush we have around here for cleaning parts. Yes. This can be a messy job, by the way. But so I do most of this work do most of these at work. That way, I'm not doing it at my house. Plus, it's lunch hour, and I can do what I want on my lunch hour, so it's good to do them. Let's get that. Oh, she's really dirty on the bottom. That's insane. Wow, there's a lot of crap in there. I should have worn gloves. Been doing this for years. I'm an old pro at cleaning these things now, which is sad. Clean way too many things, but hey, things have got to be clean, right? Yeah, this will not be a long video for sure. So much grime coming off of here. So much grime at that. Wow. All right. I guess I might as well clean this little case here. Get her cleaned off, right? Make sure she looks nice. Hold on for a second. So, there we go. Now I'm going to use a fresh one to give her a wipe down. does look a lot cleaner. I gotta admit, looks a lot cleaner. I like inside. Don't like that. I don't like opening the blade. No, I just don't want to open the blades. This is a, it's not a typical throttle body. It's that type where it's by fly-by-wire kind of like thing. So I do not like to open the blades unless she's hooked to, but I'll probably got you out of camera there. Darn. Forgetting there's a camera there and keep talking. That sounds like me. Well, she looks good. There is a lot of space. And there's something in here that rattles. It's probably supposed to rattle, so I'm not going to mess with it. Everything is blocked off, so you can't get at her. Okay, well, that's going to do her for this one, I think. She looks nice and clean. That's, looks really clean. I'm actually very happy with the way this turned out. And I'll be able to put that back on that Jeep Patriot and see if it did a good job. All right. Thanks for watching.